Not your regular pizza, all right? No, not at all. Today we are making rice and stew Nigerian pizza. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another interesting one. So let's begin. Now we start by making the pizza base. I start by adding instant yeast in a bowl. To that I'll move in with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now I'm going to add warm water. Finally, I added 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix to combine very well. Once that is done, it is time to sift in the flour. Always sift the flour before making use of it, alright? Once that is done, I move in with my fingers and start mixing till everything comes together. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, now I transfer the dough to the work surface. I will continue mixing and kneading till I form a smooth dough, just like this one. Now I'm going to transfer the dough back into the mixing bowl, cover and keep anywhere warm around my home to proof. 20 minutes later, voila, here we are. It has doubled in size, as you can see. All right, now I'm going to transfer the dough back to the work surface. Knead for a few seconds just to take out the air. Now I'm going to dust the work surface with some flour. Arrange the dough in a way that it will be easier for me to roll. Move in with the rolling pin and start rolling in a round shape. Now, when it comes to making the dough, you are free to add whatever you want to add. You can add butter in place of oil. You can add eggs. You can add milk. All right. One thing about homemade is that you get the opportunity to add whatever you want to add. Shout out to you, Jennifer, watching from Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. Oyin from London. Yvonne from Kenya, and IJ all the way from Oka, Anambra State. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? After rolling into a round shape and according to the size of the pan that I'll be using, it is time to transfer the dough into the baking pan. You should use your pizza pan, but I'm using my baking pan because this is a total different way of making pizza because we are using a different toppings, all right? Now, you can see what is going on there. I'm trying to make sure that the base, or should I say the pizza dough, has a kind of wedge on it, all right? It's not going to be as flat as the normal pizza, all right? Just keep watching. You will understand what is going on here. It is time to bake. I bake in a preheated oven for 25 minutes and there we have it, all right? The pizza bread is ready. It is very hot at this point. Allow to cool down for about 5 minutes. It is time to move to another level. Just look at that. Jennifer from Asaba. Jenny baby, please, can you help me with a cup of tea? As you can see, we have bread right here. You can see that the pizza dough was properly baked, all right? It is time to move in with the pizza sauce. We aren't making use of the pizza sauce. We are moving in with Nigerian fried tomato stew. I have a video on how to make Nigerian tomato stew. The link will pop up right now. I'll also leave the link at the comment section. Okay, I'm sure you noticed that I was taking something out from the tomato stew. Those are some pieces of meat, all right? Now you can see that the oil from the stew is not dropping on the table. That is because of the way the base was made, all right? Now I'm moving with white boiled rice. Nigerians in the building. Are we buying this market? Like, am I representing very well? If you are with me at this moment, type Lady C Gang. At this point, I feel like maybe it's okay, like with the white rice, but our pizza doesn't have any protein in it. So I went in with more Nigerian fried tomato stew, which has some pieces of beef in it. Finally, I am going to top up with some fried plantain. Mamma mia. My kids were seriously demanding for pizza from me, and I don't have all it takes to make pizza for them at that moment. That was how I come up with this recipe. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It is time to share the pizza. At this point, they were in their rooms till I called them to come and have their pizza. My gosh, you need to see their expression. They were like, wow, 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 wow. They could not believe it. They were like, Mommy, what is going on here? What is this? At first, they doubted the taste, but when I shared to them and they take a bite, oh my goodness, they were like, Mommy, I want more. Everything finished immediately. Trust me, guys, I never believed it was going to taste this yummy. I want you to give it a try and get back to me as usual. This is a banger, trust me. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, homemade pizza is better than junk. Thanks for watching. Bye.